What's good, guys? Royal Street Krew here again. Day 2 of the meet weekend. Yesterday was a massive success. Did not expect that many people to show up, eh? We're so grateful for everyone that showed up and stayed along for the cruise as well. So you probably would have seen the video before this one, the meet. We've just got to the 86
reveal.
V2, yeah, Rocket Bunny.
World's first molded V2 Rocket Bunny 86. It's getting revealed today. You would have seen it on the Insta story the other day, but it's officially getting all revealed today.
Yeah, so we just got to the meet a bit early now. Just going to park up and wait for everyone to show up.
Yeah, right. So
we're just going to move the cars now. See you then.
Bands on the track.
what's going on, man? A few more people have showed up.
Oh yeah.
What do we got out here?
Nah, heaps.
Should we
I want to show them
show
Alex's Evo because it's amazing.
We'll show them.
Alex,
what do we got?
the Evo's getting in the video. Fuck off. Shiny as.
What do we got, man?
The owner of the Evo.
The owner of the beautiful beast.
The chrome is that shiny. I can see myself in it now.
Maybe I'm standing up. I really got new tyres and shit last night and stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the same tyre as me?
Yeah.
Got Yin and Yang out here at the meet. 15 in plate. And we got Yang at the back, sitting on some Meister wheels. They're a bronze lip with a silver center. Look pretty mean.
Bro, those wheels. I want that bronze colour, that is sick. On my rims, that colour.
They're not bad. Some SSR SP3s. Got Gage pulling up the S15 with the rear shaft clicking.
Thank you, all of you, for turning up for Emin's meet and mine as well, for Lucid. We do appreciate you coming down, your ride, your pride and joy. As you know, Emin has worked on this car for how long? 6 months. 6 months now, and today is the day that we reveal it. So, anything to say, Emin? Yeah. No, honestly, just want to say thank you to everyone who's come down. Like, I really do appreciate it. It has come a long way. I have owned it for 3 years now. To me, it is a dream car. To a lot of people, they're like, it's just 86 or whatever, but it's a dream car to me and like a dream body kit, but the way that we put the body kit on is something different. I feel like we've stirred up the game a little bit. But yeah, I guess we'll unveil it now and hopefully you guys like it. Woo! Let's do it. It's a bit dodgy how we're going to undo this. So
wait, can we get a countdown or what? It's fucking 4 minutes past, Alright.
Revealing world's first V2 Rocket Bunny molded kit.
TJ, where you at?
Yeah.
Where you at, TJ?
Calling out TJ Hunt.
Australia's coming in clutch.
So we've managed to catch up with the owner, Emin, who owns the vehicle. Tell us a little bit about it.
Look, just a background story of the 86. Like, I know a lot of people say, it's just an 86, you're modifying that. But in my eyes, it was always a dream car, and I did purchase it when I was 17 years old. And the Rocket Bunny kit, that was like V2 Rocket Bunny kit, that was always a dream. Did not know that it was going to happen, but I just worked hard, and then I thought, let's not just install the kit, like bolt it on. Let's go to the next level and actually mold it on. So Concept Garage, as you can see up here.
Yeah, we just gave them a massive shout out. Their work is insane.
Yeah, wearing their shirt as well. A massive shout out to them, man. Danny personally, and his team too. You just make the dream come true. So
First ever.
yeah, first ever. But yeah, I think it looks different. To me, it's different. I think it's changed the game up a little bit, but it's just like
You know who needs to mould? TJ Hunt, where you at?
calling you out, TJ. My 86 is better than yours.
And it will be turbo soon, so it will be better.
Yeah, 100%. I was going to say, what's the future?
Yeah.
Look at the meat. Just look at the meat.
It's just a dream on top of a dream. I know a lot of people say it's just like an aesthetic type one, but yeah, look, it is what it is. Everyone's got like their own idea and how they want to do their own build, so why really like hate on it? But of course, it doesn't really matter. There'll always be like haters are haters, but
What's next?
future plans, like honestly, really do want to turbo it next, and then probably head on into the interior. So I don't know if we're gonna do interior first or turbo first, but it would be cool like when you open up the door, it's like car looks killer, and then the trim looks killer too. So
Congratulations, man! You got
Thanks,
yourself
man.
an amazing vehicle. Oh, the car I've always dreamed about. An AU Falcon.
Yum.
Look at her. That's hot.
what is up, guys? Evan here. Today we're back here with RSK. Are they called RSK? Oh, I'm fucking sorry, dude. Yeah, I think he is, man. Royal Street Krew. We're just kicking it out here with Nick right now. We're in the GTR. We're gonna do a pull for all the boys. How much kilowatts does it have, Nick?
Today, 600.
Today it's got 600 kilowatts, guys. Look at all the homies that are gonna scatter around over there. When we sat in this before, dude, this car's insane. It's my pull all the way down. What the f, bro? Proper goosebumps. Look at those goosebumps, bro. That's fucked up.
Alright guys, so all in all, good meet. Hope you like the V2 kit.
And the GTR.
And the GTR.
Was insane.
And the XR5, this, we need to get on the channel. Like, we're getting it on.
Yeah.
Reese, be ready.
Yep. Yeah, but meet overall yesterday was pretty insane. Today was good as well. Shout out to Emin, congratulations to him
Yeah,
and
that was
Concept
insane.
Garage for putting that together.
Insane.
And Josh from Lucid Detailing, make sure you hit him up or your
Yeah,
detailing
Lucid.
needs.
Check him out, he's amazing.
Until then, leave a like, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe, down there next to the name,
Remember,
press that shit.
RSK is a family, spread the word.
Yeet.